Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of See Ya Slurped Fresh Noodle Fridays. I am still on the Szechuan kick right now, so I am making these lovely Szechuan sesame noodles. This is traditionally a chilled dish. It has a lot of elements that were in my Lang pea noodles last week. If you missed it, go check it out. But I am using my homemade chili oil, some lo-mein noodles, which you can easily find at any grocery store, bit of cucumber on top, green onions, and a little mixture of sesame paste and some other fun ingredients that you'll soon find out. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we've got our ingredients here. We're gonna start off with a nice cucumber here. I'm using half, but you can use more if you want. I have my homemade chili oil. Store-bought is totally fine. Make sure you find a Szechuan style one if you can. Toasted sesame seeds, some soy sauce, black vinegar. I've got some chow mein or lo-mein noodles. They're the fresh kind. And I've got a few bunches of scallions here, a little bit of Asian sesame paste, and a touch of sesame oil. We're going to begin by chopping up some of our garnish, just getting it ready ahead of time. I'm chopping up some scallions, as you can see here. And then here I'm going to be chopping and halving our cucumber here, just de-seeding them. You don't want any watery bits in there, and just julienning the cucumber so it looks like this. And then I'm going to add a few tablespoons of sesame paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, a little splash of black vinegar, Chinese black vinegar that is, and we're going to mix that up. We're going to go ahead and thin out this sesame paste sauce with a touch of filtered water, and we're going to mix it up so the consistency is like this. Now we're going to go ahead and cook our lo-mein noodles in a bit of boiling water. Cook it for 1 minute and no more than that. These are fresh, that's why. Go ahead and drain these and then rinse them out because the noodles can be quite starchy. You always want to do that with Asian style noodles. Begin assembling, put some noodles in the bowl, a little bit of that sesame sauce, a splash of soy sauce, a splash of sesame oil, the chili oil, cucumber, green onions, all that jazz, and enjoy chilled. Yum. If you like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!